Hello everyone, welcome to my full night routine. I'm super excited for this video because I love romanticizing my evenings during fall. It's such a vibe. In this video, I'm going to show you everything that I do to have the perfect fall night routine and how I set myself up for success for the next day. I usually start my routine around 6 p.m. Don't mind the time in the video. I had to film beforehand because it always takes me more time when I'm filming. So I started by just logging out of my computer. Then I like to change into a comfortable outfit. I don't wear my pajama quite yet because I'm waiting until I shower. And then I prepare myself a little snack. Usually I try to avoid coffee, but I really craved some nice iced latte after like a whole day of working on my computer, so I did that. And I also had a cinnamon roll that I made myself. It was really good, a little dry though, but it was good. Then I like to set an ambience in the living room because it's just like so cozy, and I curl up with a blanket and watch my comfort show. At the moment I'm watching Gilmore Girls. I've never watched it before and I must say I love it. It's just such a perfect vibe for fall.
You came here not as a guest but as the judgment police. You kept your uniform on the whole time. You
didn't even find that stupid picture. What did you do?
didn't watch.
So I am nicely showered. I actually don't always do my hair, but today is kind of different because tomorrow is Thursday and I'm leaving, so I have to have my hair done because I won't have the time to do it. I decided to do my hair tonight so that tomorrow I have like fresh hair. So I'm going to do my skincare now and tell you a little bit about it because I feel like I got my skin back, so I thought I would show you my skincare at the same time. Okay, so I'm gonna start my skincare with a cleansing oil. I used to use like cleansing balms, which are good as well, but this one, if you want to take your getting unready to the next level, I highly recommend this oil. You use just just 2 pumps actually, because I don't have a lot of makeup right now, and I'm just going to massage it. It takes off your makeup very nicely, even the eye makeup. When you foam it, you can really get in there and remove blackheads, which is so satisfying, and I feel like I don't have blackheads anymore. Like ever since I started using this oil, like my pores feel so clean, and it's because when you foam it, like there's this very thin foam that is created and that really penetrates in the pores and really cleanses them very well. So, and now you really want to insist where you have like blackheads. Usually for me it's here. Okay, then I'm going to go with this cleanser. You guys know this is my all-time favorite cleanser. I love it so much. It's the Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser by Cosrx. Then I pat it dry. I know we're not supposed to use this, but I really don't want to be like throwing more trash, you know, like don't need to put more trash. So, and actually I make sure that I change it quite regularly, so it's fine. Then I'm using my toner. I'm almost done with this one, and I must say I really like it. You want to hydrate your under eyes first because I heard that the thin skin is more sensitive to like dryness. So since we really, you know, cleansed our skin, it's very dry under your eyes and you want to put moisture back very quickly. I use a castor oil, just natural castor oil, because it helps with dark circles, with thin lines. I like to also massage like this upway because I smile with my eyes a lot, so I'm like, you know, and this part was starting to wrinkle, and I think it's cute. It means that you smile a lot, which is nice, you know, but like I don't want it to be always there, so I massage just a little bit like this, and then I make sure that I go over my lash line because castor oil also promotes growth when it comes to eyelashes or eyebrows. So then I'm going to use this essence by Mixun. It's the bean essence, and this one I actually ran out of it, and I don't know if I should do like an empties, you know, like empties kind of short video. I think it's the last use, you guys. Oh, maybe not, maybe not. You don't need a lot. I must say I really like it actually. Like, it's very moisturizing and my skin feels nice when I apply it. When I do my skincare, I try to be very mindful about not rushing through it and being stressed, because this is usually how I am, because I'm like trying to be very quick so I can go back to work. But right now, like, it's all about slowing down because we're not going back on the computer. Like, when I shut it down, it means work is done for the day. When you work for yourself or from home, it's very easy to keep working, but I'm trying to put more boundaries and like remind myself that I actually worked throughout the day and I don't need to put in extra hours. Like, it's not productive. And then I'm going to use my moisturizer. This one is fine. When I finish this one, I'm going to order my go-to moisturizer, which is Some by Me. It's the Miracle Cream. Sometimes I like to use my rose quartz roller, just a little bit, you know, just to drain my face. I do it a little bit better in the morning actually now, but in the afternoon I like to just, you know, if I'm doing like a mask or just want to relax, if I feel like I'm tensed, I like to massage my face a little bit, and then like collarbones. Sometimes I even do my shoulders because I carry a lot of tension around my shoulders. So now I'm going to cook dinner. This is one of these days that I don't feel like making an actual like fall themed dinner and doing the whole thing from scratch. I'm just pretty tired. So I'm gonna make pasta, and it's gonna be zucchini pasta. So I'm going to make a little zucchini cream and put a burrata cheese on top, some olive oil like on top, and that's it. When I'm cooking dinner during fall, what I like to do, well, during all seasons, but especially during fall, I love having a candle lit and some like fairy lights and listening to a fall themed podcast. So this is what I'm gonna do. There's nothing better than a movie night during fall, especially when it's kind of like spooky season, and just making a bowl of popcorn and curling up under a blanket is just so nice. I love doing this during fall.
Hang on. You're not supposed to be here either.
Figure out what the fuck is happening.
And finally, before heading to bed, I like to make myself a cup of infusion. I like to have chamomile tea before going to bed because it really helps me sleep better and relax. And then I go ahead and brush my teeth, get into bed, sip on my chamomile tea, and I like to journal sometimes. Sometimes what I also like to do is write things that I'm excited about for the next day or the next chapter of my life, and it gets me excited, and I'm just so happy to be able to go to sleep and wake up tomorrow and work on my dream. Then I end up with a meditation. I don't always do it, it depends on how I'm feeling, but I like to have a nice 5 minutes to just breathe and relax and, you know, just visualize my dream life. Also, I should have took it before, but I take some magnesium before going to bed because it relaxes me and makes me feel better. And yeah, that's everything for my night routine. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Please take care. Bye.